Hi and welcome back to another video from Ertano. In this video guys, I want to talk about how to install WordPress on your personal computer. If you want to have an environment for test and develop your themes, your plugins, for design your web pages, you have to install WordPress on your personal computer. And if you are using macOS as your personal computer operating system, you can install WordPress with MAMP on macOS. Let's start. Okay, let's go to my computer screen. I want to install WordPress on macOS. First, I have to download MAMP, M-A-M-P, as my local host web server and download it for my computer. So I have to go to mamp.info/en/downloads, and then based on my macOS CPU, I have to download one of these versions. It have different versions for macOS, Intel CPU, and ARM CPU. And as I'm using ARM CPU, macOS M1, M2, or M3, I have to install and download and install this version. So I'm downloading this version. After downloading, you have to install it on your computer. It's like as any other software you install on your macOS. So this is a PKG or package file, and we have to install it on our system. Yes, continue, 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 agree, terms of service, and install it. And we have to type our system password, our user password, to install this software on macOS. About a minute. Yes, it's completed. Now we have to download WordPress to install it on our web server. So I have to go to wordpress.org/download and download the latest version of WordPress. I'm downloading WordPress latest version from here. Now I have to go to my Launchpad, macOS Launchpad, and open MAMP. Don't open MAMP Pro. This is Pro version of MAMP and you have to buy it. We don't need this version. We just have to run MAMP. And then we have to, where is it? Where are you, MAMP? Okay, it's running. Okay, let's do a force quit and then reopen it. I think it's freeze, yeah. Now you have to wait. Yes, finished. First, I will click on stop button because we want to do some configuration on MAMP to do it better. Yeah, I'm going to MAMP menu, click on settings, and in this page, make sure you have checked start servers on start MAMP, check for updaters, and open web start page. Yes, turn off the OP cache because we are using this MAMP server for development and testing, and we don't want to cache our PHP files. Go to the ports section and then click on 80 and 3306 because we want to use 80 port for our MAMP server. go to the server tab and cloud tab and make sure cloud is off and click on OK. Then you can start your MAMP server. After successfully start, check your MAMP installation and configuration. Why? Okay. We will go to settings again. Let me check it. Everything is good. Okay, and start. Okay, let's quit again and reopen it. Start. Okay, if you cannot start your MAMP server, so you have to go to the settings, click on ports, and then you have to set your web and MySQL ports to MAMP default. So, then you have to enter a local host with 8888 port for your Apache or for your Nginx and for open your website. Because I think another application or software is using 80 ports of my system. Okay, so my port is 48, localhost 8888. It's okay. WordPress is downloaded and I have to open this zip file. Then I have to go to WordPress directory, select all files with Command A, copy all files with Command C, and then I have to go to Applications directory, then open MAMP directory, then open htdocs, and in this folder I have a file. The name is index.php. I can move it to trash, and then I can open uh, or make a new folder here. For example, the folder name will be Ertano. I'm going to Ertano directory, and then I will paste all of WordPress files and folders to this folder with Command V. So my website address is localhost with 8888 as opened in my browser slash Ertano. Why Ertano? Because my directory name was Ertano. Now I have to select my language. You can select your own language here. I'm selecting English, United States. Continue. Let's go. Then we have to input our database information here. What is database? Database is a file that that stores all of your website's data, such as texts, settings, and etc. For example, for making new database, we have to go to localhost slash PHPMyAdmin. Here we can make a new database. So I'm going to databases section, enter a new database name. For example, it can be Ertano. Make sure the Unicode is UTF-8 underline general underline CI. Make sure about it and click on create button. Then my database name is Ertano, my username is root, and my password is root. You can change your table prefix for more security, but we don't need to do it here because this is localhost and it doesn't matter. Yeah. Click on submit, run the installation. And here I have to enter my website name. My website name is, for example, Ertano, my username admin, my password admin, and click on confirm use of weak password because this is a weak password and yes, it's okay, no problem because it's on my local host and nobody have access to my local host. I will enter my email, for example, noreply@ertano.com. It doesn't matter. And the last one is doesn't matter again because we are on local host. And then click on install WordPress. At all. WordPress is installed on our website. We can click on login to log in our admin panel with username admin, password admin, and click on login. Yeah. And I logged into my WordPress dashboard. Yes. And if you click on visit site here, you can see your own website and you can develop it, test any plugins and themes on your website, and then you can create your landing pages, your web pages, everything you need. You can do everything you need here, and then you can migrate it from local host to your main host, to your cPanel host, your direct admin, or every host you have. Yeah, that's it. You can install WordPress on your personal computer to test and develop your website. Thank you.